Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. In this episode of the Review.com, I am gonna talk about top 5 best belt and disc sanders. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the J401002 2" by 42" 3-stroke 4 horsepower bench belt and 8" disc sander. When it comes to benchtop belt and disc sander reviews, the J401002 sits proudly at the top. Jet delivers, as they always do. A fantastic machine, the J401002 is the best compact benchtop belt and disc sander I've ever used. It's very well built, as I already expected from Jet, weighing 60 pounds with a cast body and heavy duty base that is sure to last a lifetime. Featuring a 3-stroke 4 HP motor that makes the 2x42" belt 50 revolutions per minute and the 8" disc at 300 SFPM. It has the perfect balance of power for a disc sander, has a cast iron tilting table with a top-notch miter gauge that turns and locks for common angles, 45 degrees both left and right. This thing can take on wood or metal with ease and the results are always stunning. It includes a 2-year warranty from Jet, which is always appreciated. If you're looking for a compact, powerful and high quality belt and disc sander solution, the J401002 is an excellent choice. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WEN 6509 6x48 belt and 9 disc sander with stand. WEN's best belt and disc sander solution yet. It combines all the good from the previous 6502 model with more power, more size and a great stand while still maintaining a great price tag. It features a greatly improved 9-amp motor that provides up to 3450 revolutions per minute and a much larger 6x48" belt and a 9" disc. The sturdy 112 pounds cast iron body prevents any vibrations and is sure to endure hard work. The machine has a convenient tension release lever to make changing belt a breeze and 2 dust ports too. Ensure your work area stays clean. What I like most about the 6509 is the great stand, which makes operating it much easier, and of course the always appreciated 2-year warranty. The WEN 6509 brings you the best of small sanders, their versatility, and combines it with the greater power and sanding capabilities of large ones. At number 3, we have the Powertech BD 6900 Woodworking Belt Disc Sander W Built-in Dust Collection, 6x9". Powertech brings us a solid belt and disc sander solution that features a 6" by 48" sanding belt coupled with a 9" sanding disc. It runs a 7-amp 11-stroke 5 HP motor that is strong enough to take on a variety of simple tasks that won't leave much of a dusty mess around due to its built-in dust collection system that sends dust and chips straight into a bag. It features a very useful interchangeable support table that can be attached to either the belt or the disc very easily, and it can be angled from 0 to 45 degrees for precise angle sanding. At 77 pounds it's still lightweight and compact enough to carry around even with the solidly built body. Overall it's a solid belt and disc sander, both in performance and features, that is a great and inexpensive option for hobbyists. At number 2, we have the Rickon Power Tools 50-151 belt with 5 disc sander, 1x30, blue. Rickon's 50-151 belt and disc sander combo is not only a great machine, but it's also available at an immensely attractive price. With a 1x30 sanding belt and a 5 sanding disc, it's a versatile machine. Couple that with a 1-stroke 3 HP, 2.3 amp motor and you've got a great machine for casual light duty work. It's well assembled and has built to last components such as a brushless motor, sealed ball bearings and dust protected switches. It's fairly lightweight and small as well, so it's very easy to move around and store. It has 2 dust ports, one for each sander, which can be connected to dust collectors for extremely efficient dust removal. While Rickon's machines have been a hit or miss for me, this one's definitely a hit and I was surprised. Great buy for hobbyists that want a solid and inexpensive combo sander for light duty work. And finally, at number 1, we have the WEN 6502 4x36" belt and 6" disc sander with cast iron base. Both Rickon and Ryobi sell this exact same belt and disc sander with different colors for much higher prices. With the when you get 100% of their quality at a huge discount, the most compact solution on the list. The WEN 6502 is certainly a small belt and disc sander but still maintains a good quality body and decent features. It has a 4.3 amp 1-stroke 2 HP motor that works on the 436-inch sanding belt and the 6-inch sanding disc. The machine weighs only 40 pounds but still features a sturdy cast iron base to prevent any heavy vibrations and give stability to your work. The belt tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, which is very convenient. You can plug your dust vacuum in its built-in dust collection port, and the machine also comes with a handy support table and removable mitre gauge. The WEN 6502 is an extremely inexpensive belt and disc sander that is lacking in advanced features or capability to handle larger and harder tasks, but can still satisfy a hobbyist or beginner craftsman that will mainly work with smaller pieces. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.